Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Meta AI not showing issue on Facebook. Now the first thing you need to do is to of course check your settings. So just make sure that Meta AI is enabled in your Facebook settings. You can do this by going to your account settings and then look for Meta AI and ensure that it's turned on. If you've accidentally disabled it, just simply toggle the switch to enable it again. If you've done this and it seems that Meta AI is still not appearing on your end, you can try clearing your cache and cookies. Sometimes cached data or cookies can cause glitches. You can clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart Facebook to see if Meta AI appears. Next, make sure to keep your app updated. If you're using the Facebook app, ensure that it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps may have compatibility issues with Meta AI. Lastly, you can also try a different browser or device. So you can go ahead and switch to a different browser, for example, Chrome, Firefox, or if you're on your device, you can also switch between phones, tablets, or computers to see if Meta AI shows up in those alternative devices or browsers. Sometimes browser-specific issues can affect certain features. Same goes with different devices. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.